Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. I am Jazz Chapman. This is Jazz Chapman TV, and today we will be talking about how I save money on. Okay, so I know that Spirit has a bad reputation, and I get some of it. I get it. There is less leg space a lot of times, unless you pay for a seat with extra leg space, which it doesn't cost much to get a bigger seat. It used to be an extra $5 just to get more leg room, and I'm not sure how much it costs now. I was always extra frugal. I was never going that far where I just needed the extra leg space, but some may need that. The other rumors that we commonly hear about Spirit makes it sound like it's unsafe, and I've been taking Spirit for some years now. Um, didn't take any this year because, of course, I was pregnant, and then we're in this pandemic, so there will be there will be no flights for me this year. It's all going to be by driving. But the rumors that I hear about Spirit are, of course, some people say that it's ghetto, it's tacky. But I've never heard of Spirit crashing. I've never heard of any really life threatening situations with Spirit. And so for that, I've never heard of any controversial situations with Spirit either. So for that, I would still take Spirit. So the way I usually save money on Spirit, usually I select the city that I'm going to. Leaving from Atlanta. I've taken Spirit to a bunch of different places like New Orleans. Um, did I take it to Las Vegas? Not sure if I took it to Las Vegas. I've taken it to Chicago. Taken Spirit to Chicago. I've taken Spirit to Orlando. I've gone to a few different major cities. I mostly would take it to my hometown, to Cleveland. And so we're going to select a city. I'm not going anywhere, so I don't have anything in mind right now. But let's say, let's pick Houston. Okay, so one of my main tips with choosing your airline tickets with Spirit is to pick out a date that's a little further out. Once you get down to the nitty gritty of things and you're running out of time, then you most likely are going to pay a higher price for tickets if there are any left. Now, I have waited before and they have been out. And like I said, if you see a good price on it, go ahead and jump on it. So I'm going to select. So let's choose another way to save money on Spirit is to pick more of a off season time. November and December, of course, is holiday time. Prices are usually higher. January, February, times are slow. So let's pick February. And the cheaper days, of course, are usually the weekdays. As you can see, all of the prices that have come up are $52. And that is if, okay, so this one is $52 on Monday, February 8th. But that is if you have a $9 fare club. Um, that is a membership that you would have to pay for yearly. I bought it before, it was $60. What I come to find is that it's actually not worth it. Not for me. For somebody else, maybe you can get more out of it. But I was only able to use it one time, and I did. I've got a trip for it that was only $25. I believe it was to Cleveland, and But after that, the rest of the year, I just did not get my money's worth. So the standard price for somebody who does not have a fair club like myself would be $62. That is the cheapest, I believe. $62 in the middle of the day is usually less competition in the middle of the day. As you can see here, the return trip with the cheapest would be $131. And so once you go ahead and choose your date, the next thing that I do is to not buy it online at all. I actually go to the airport and buy my tickets from Spirit and Frontier Airlines. I go to the airport and purchase my tickets. And this is because on here that they are showing you, the price that they are showing you is included. There is some type of service fee that is included in this price, and that is for online transactions. And so when I go to the airport and purchase my tickets, I get usually $19 off each way. So that's $38 that I save off my total flight trip. So yeah, that's my secret to saving on Spirit. And also, once you're booking your flight, if you must bring baggage, what you can do is take a small book bag, or take a book bag really, because as long as it's on your back, they don't say anything. If you're walking, make sure it's on your back. They don't say anything about the size. You can go and write a tip. The next tip is, it's not really a secret, but what you want to do, if you must, have a bigger luggage, like check-ins, um, carry-on and check-ins. They both cost a fee. They usually cost around $26 to $31. They may have upped the price. I'm not sure. Let me see. The thing about Spirit is they always trying to be so incognito about how much their actual baggage fees are on the website, and I do not like that. How much is Spirit? Okay, so here we go. Some answers. A carry-on for Spirit is now $41. At the airport, it is $55. A first check bag is $36. At the airport, it is $50. Second check bag, $46. At the airport, $60. Third to fifth check bag, $91. At the airport, it is $100. This is very important when you are booking Spirit. If you are trying to save money, if you must bring on a carry-on or a check-in bag, which, just a tip for anyone who is not that familiar with flying through the airport. If you have any type of liquid over 3 ounces, you're going to have to throw that out. They will not let you come through security, TSA, with anything more than 3 ounces for each liquid product that you have. When you are paying for baggage through Spirit, if you do not have that book bag, you will pay for it. Your best bet is to pay for it online when you are checking in. When if you decide that you want to, uh, if you decide that you want to take baggage with you and you're at the airport or it's right before your trip, do it online. If you do it at the airport, it's going to cost you more. If you take the baggage through TSA with you and you have not paid for it at check-in, when you checked in, then you're going to pay even more for that baggage when you get to the gate and they try to stop you. They usually charge you $100 per bag at the gate. This is why so many people complain about Spirit. They save you money on these flights by not charging you for baggage because a lot of people don't take on much baggage anyway, especially if there's someone like a business person that's not going to travel with much. Another way that they save on money, that Spirit saves on money, is that they don't give you any like complimentary snacks and drinks. You have to pay for those things. You have to pay for your snacks. You have to pay for your drinks. My other way to save money on Spirit would be to bring your own snacks. Yes, you can bring food to the airport. Do not believe that you cannot bring food to the airport. You can bring food to the airport. Now, liquids, like I said, if it's over 3 ounces, then it is going to cost, they're going to throw out that liquid. They will throw it out. So if you get thirsty, you want to have you some water, my tip is to bring a water bottle with you and make sure that it's empty. Once you go through once you go through TSA, then you can fill up your water bottles. And yes, most airports have uh, water fountain stations where you can refill water bottles. That is my way to save money on Spirit and Frontier Airlines. I used to fly all the time. Like I said, I had a baby and stuff this year, so it has slowed down a whole lot. I have not flown at all this year. It's so weird, but we're in a pandemic, so it is what it is. But once this is all over, I'll be right back to flying again. Me, my husband, and my baby. So, yeah, that is my way to save money on Spirit. If you have any tips to save money on Spirit or even Frontier, go ahead and leave those comments down below because I sure would like to know. So thanks for watching. I appreciate you. I hope that you learned something. Um, I have more videos on how to save money during traveling. You can go and check those out. I have videos on how to use Booking.com, how to save money on Booking.com. You can go check those out. And I do this every day of Nonstop November. I will be posting a video and we will be talking about how to save money, how to grow it, on whatever we're doing, whatever, travel, whatever. Different ways to make more money. Make sure that we follow our dreams. That's also important. But thank you for watching. If you like this video, like it, give it a thumbs up. Smash that thumbs up button. And if you don't like the video, well, just tap the thumbs up button lightly. And then, I'll see you back on the next one. You're going to like these videos. You're going to like them because there's so many good tips. So, anyways, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell. And we will be back tomorrow with another video.